Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix BlueStack 5 cannot start BlueStacks. An unexpected error has occurred. Error. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First, close the BlueStacks and first step, if you can't find the multi-instance manager, then you just need to right click on the BlueStacks app and select open file location, and now double click on the HD multi instance manager. Two application are same guys. If you can't find multi instance manager in desktop, then you need to open like this, and now click on the setting gear icon. CPU allocation, set this to 2 cores, and memory allocation, set this to standard 2 GB, and check whether your frame rate is too low or too high. Set this to 60 and select save changes. Now after saving changes, click on settings again, open up, click on display. Now in the display resolution settings, recommended resolution, set the recommended resolution, and pixel density, set this to 240 dpi medium, and scroll down, select save changes. This interfacing scaling, set this to 100% as default, and save changes. And after that, go to graphics, and graphics engine mode, set this to compatibility, and graphics renderer, set this to OpenGL, and interface renderer, set this to auto, and select save changes guys. And after doing this, let's move on to the second step guys. Now close out of here. Now we need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it guys. Now in here you need to locate the BlueStack. If you can't find it, then you need to add it guys. For that, click on browse, click on this desktop, and you will find the BlueStack application. Click on add and add it guys. After that, click on this options and select high performance and select save changes guys. After doing this, let's move on to the third step guys. For that, right click on the BlueStack application and select properties, select the compatibility tab, and check mark run this program as an administrator, and you just need to select the change high DPI settings. Check mark this override high DPI scaling behaviors. Set this to drop down, select application and select OK, and save changes, apply and OK. After doing these steps, you just want to restart your PC guys. If you open the BlueStack, it will be require you to restart your PC, and you just need to restart your PC. After restart your PC, your problem will be solved. You can open BlueStack without any errors guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.